There is a spiritual prosperity law that protects blessings. I want to discuss that with you. It is a spiritual pattern that history quietly repeats. Some individuals struggle for years with little visible reward. Their preparation is long, their obedience is costly, their path appears slow. Yet, when prosperity finally begins to appear around them, something unusual happens. Their blessings seem to survive storms that destroy others. Opportunities return, resources arrive at the right moment, and support appears when it is needed most. And people observing from the outside often assume luck, but the pattern is not luck, it is a law. Spiritual prosperity law that protects blessings once purpose has been proven. And throughout history, this law has appeared again and again. True prosperity rarely begins with wealth, it begins with preparation. Many spiritual traditions describe this period as a testing ground where character, wisdom, and responsibility are quietly developed before greater provision is allowed. In the story of Joseph in Egypt, years of betrayal, imprisonment, and obscurity came before leadership and abundance appeared. In the life of King David, long seasons of obscurity in the wilderness came before authority and national influence. These early years often appear unfair, but they survive and serve a purpose. They prepare a person to handle prosperity without being destroyed by it. History has shown repeatedly that sudden success without preparation often leads to collapse. But prosperity that follows long preparation often becomes protected prosperity. Many cultures have observed this pattern. In Jewish tradition, a saying often repeated in rabbinic writings is that provision follows responsibility. In Chinese philosophy, Confucius taught that wealth gained without moral discipline becomes unstable and eventually disappears. In early Christian writings, the Apostle Paul warned that sudden riches often create destruction for those who lack spiritual maturity. Even modern economic history reveals a similar pattern. Research on lottery winners and sudden celebrities' success often shows that individuals who gain wealth without preparation frequently lose it within a few years. But leaders, inventors, and visionaries who spent years preparing before success often build influence that lasts generations. And this is not coincidence. It is a pattern that is repeated across civilizations. When prosperity begins to appear around a person that is walking in purpose, something else begins happening at the same moment. Opposition increases, criticism grows louder, relationships begin changing. And why? Because protected blessings attract attention. And history shows that moments of increasing provision often become moments of testing. Joseph faced betrayal before leadership. David faced pursuit before the crown. Many entrepreneurs face ridicule before success. The pattern appears again and again. Provision increases, but so does testing. The protection of blessings does not come from wealth itself, it comes from the assignment that is connected to the wealth. When prosperity serves purpose, it becomes protected. When prosperity exists only for personal ambition, it becomes unstable. This is why two individuals may receive similar opportunities yet experience completely different outcomes. One builds something lasting, the other loses everything. The difference is not intelligence, the difference is purpose alignment. History repeatedly shows that provision attached to purpose survives many storms. The spiritual prosperity law is not simply about receiving blessings. It is about stewarding them correctly. The blessings that remain are often the ones connected to service, responsibility, and long preparation. This is why some individuals appear to be quietly protected during seasons when others collapse. Their prosperity is not random, it is connected to something that is larger than themselves. And when blessings are connected to purpose, history shows they often become guarded in ways the world cannot easily explain. Prosperity that appears suddenly often disappears just as quickly. But prosperity that follows preparation, responsibility, and purpose tends to carry a different quality. It survives seasons that destroy lesser foundations. And this is one of the quiet patterns repeated across history. When blessings begin appearing around your life after years of preparation, the question is not simply how to enjoy them, the question is how to protect them. Because the prosperity connected to purpose is not meant only for comfort, it is meant for assignment. And once the assignment begins, the blessing surrounding it often becomes protected in ways the world does not immediately understand. I'm going to close here. Thank you for visiting my channel. May your soul be blessed. Stay covered, stay conscious, and stay undefeated. And I'll see you on the next one.